Eh, syempre pa naman, taki oh.
Tapos nag-church kami. Nag-church kami. Idara na, balang kining church ay ni, nag-church na ako kay. Kaya ni mag-elevator tamo, Kabinto na kang elevator basement. Nagwal kami, mukit ang kabila na nila.
Kanya regular car na.
Wow. Late na late kami. Ito ko peluban. Peluban na kami nga si Juliet.
Inom kami kaya pang gate. Literal mo kami kaya pang gate. Ay, Angelo.
Kaya ito, Lola. Parang just press up.
That's why it's like the steam's coming off me.
Where's the thing? Yeah.
Mama has it.
This is the second time.
Oh, don't point that thing like that.
Can I sit?
I have a light. Should I get the light?
Anong panututan?
Dahing nini dad, saka kanin sabi.
Dahil kung
Dahing eggplant. Ano yung dad? Yung dahil prito mo rin. Ay, ito yung luto na lang dari.
Luto na rin. Papalay no.
Papawin naman na.
sabi tayo mo nun. Good morning. I'm here. Mamalo kong turun. Kumusta old morning na?
Tuno pa din.
Ano rin, tintapang kain. Ganisa, tintapang. Pali na. Apos ay ganisa ng mga chef. Pali na?
Ito yan.
Pali ta na?
Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. I cook egg.
Natanalong rice cooker.
I think rice cooker. Meto.
Ayan.
Yung pressure cooker. Oh.
Wakan pa rin yung sabi.
Na?
Kaya na mo magsalita king.
So, eh sabi niya, Arian tanya ito may itong young stick. Miras kayo pag 2 o'clock. Oh, 2 o'clock na ito. At asa, malulunos na ako kayo, mangalgal na eh. Eh, matutudta na.
Don't touch it. No slapping doggy. Careful, Pat. Don't. It's only like this.
You should run with Louis, you run together. You guys run. One run and one in the front. Go. Yeah. Okay, run. Run there.
Is that food? 2 dogs? 2 dogs? Can she eat that type? How about the sauce?
Ay, ito na yan. Mag-bending yan eh.
Ayaw mo mag-get ka nga rin nito.
Ay, di na niya guide ng lahat.
Hindi mo naman te, pag hindi na mag-date, matigyan eh. Kaya katawan.
Deme, look kuya. Kinalya na kayo may kitdam.
One pig.
One pig. Oo, ano.
Maghalo-halo tayo na.
Lahat ng pangunod ko dar, panabilin mo.
Adwala rin dela ko.
Osan kay mo rin dyan.
Lamit ang pakay mong yelo dar.
Ulit ang caramel.
Manabilin ko.
Season.
Manabilin ta nga po din yan.
Eh, naman tak.
Mura yan, Ming. 245. Carnation milk na. Lalata. 245.
Kaya malapit kaya kami ito ko eh.
Wala, papuntahan na yun dyan kahit eh. Kaya,
Should we go back here again?
something here.
See, the lake is calm, so there's no waves too.
Ayan o. What's up, boy? Oh, talks. Ayan o. Tumla.
I'll bring my boys here next. Plano lang ko.
We're here in Guelph Conservation. Di kaya? Ha? Magnet na yan na naman. Ilan niya yan eh, di balwig, pilang oras, 3-4 hours. Pala niyang oras?
Pasabi ka papadaan ah.
Oo,
Tawag yung camping sana.
makakapareho sa yung kabapandaan, kalapit na kayo eh.
Kari ba pang 9 plus 30 na? Nano yung aragpulisan niya ng Jace, yung kalatina ng 10.
Ha? Chicken. Chicken bag. Sigat ng t-shirt. Balang gupit ng Sara. Apones.
Saraway, so.
Sara Duterte. Wala mo, oh. Kay gulot pa mo. BBM.
Wala mo pin kaya, kagupit yung betang makiabeking kaya. Sap. Ano mo na ba? Tutunet mo na yung selfie video. Sabi mo. Kuya, gawin mo na yung swimming pool na din eh.
Na? Bumurak ta na naman. Ngayon niya pali lang eh. Hindi po ito, makail.
Almost. Huh?
I'm gonna get myself wet.
Tulad. Yabang na talaga.
And who's gonna do the pumping? Bailey, you're lucky. Go wearing a skirt. Not a short. You know what's embarrassing? She's wearing a Go on, Daddy! Eleni.
Love it.
Spicy sausage.
Itong kalala pala swimming pool din. May ganyan. No drinking, no. Ang water dispenser, oh. Ice maker.
You wanna see them? No? Oh, what do you want? Hi, Kayla. You like swim?
Pwede na rin. Ito na asparagus ka rin. Pangilian mo ba pero sa
Ano ka ako tangas na tayo dito? Toyo.
Sano?
Ano pa yung mata mo pero manyan.
Sano? Ang with sausawan? Nawari, ito yung kawarin ka eh. Or?
Oh, not too much.
Para? Ito nawari.
Ito lang sauce. O, di na?
Hindi.
Rang maintenance.
Good thing
Pero malapit na. Pero candidate na ako. Ito na yung borderline.
Igi ka na. Ate, di na.
Deli naman. Hindi ako pa may graduate.
Candidate ka ba?
Candidate ko pa.
Kaya kami.
Na. Ay, kami rin.
Ay, talaga. Mas mati ko yun. Exercise dapat mapawis. Kenny, ate. Sure na. Sure na, Kenny. Sure na ka na final answer. Alam, foil. Kenny na talaga. Ate ka foil, ate?
Ken Mamu.
Ate gumutang kain.
Ay, ni itang...
Are ni pareng kutsilyo. Oy, daka na kutsilyo kay. Kesa Ken.
Ayan,
Ayan.
Ali, ayan.
Ate na.
May busy. Walang piyesta na eh.
Kenny.
Na? Fiesta?
Busy lang po, busy lang.
Ay, ito kaya. Ito lechon po ata madulok ya.
Ito ka na lechon.
Ni magmantay kita lechon. Duro siya eh.
Kami.
Yan ang waring lechon dito, lechon manok.
Alitang kaya. Itang babi.
Ang babi nga.
Duro siya.
Ako maglalambay. Ate naman kay.
At talong.
O, manggamat.
Tasa ang bulong eh.
Vinegar.
Balik sa Gemma. Wow.
Kita kasi. Ay, may yung...
Kamasa niya eh.
Sniper po.
Something.
Ah.
Auntie Jace!
Ah, pala, JJ. Dalags.
Oy, Pernis! Pernis! Oy, Pernas! Oy, Pernas! One. One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dati Nico. Adyo nga rin ni Kaya.
Well done. You know that's
Hawak ko ang bitan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Cut the dancing. Cut the dancing.
Ang loko na. Puro dyan.
No, don't, no.
I don't know where to put my mark.
Happy birthday to you.
Marshmallow. I found it. The egg. The chocolate.
Go, go, eat.
May sila rin sausage, Angelo, ah. Careful, Angelo, careful. What? Yeah, yeah. I'll get you food. Baka lublay eh. Mandino lang. Bukas na lakad dito. Nakal na rin. But you need to eat first. What do you want to eat? Later ka mag-marshmallow.
Yeah.
We're gonna have marshmallow. You have to eat first. Marshmallows later. For the kids.
Papa.
Mag-love sharing ka ni Daddy.
Sige, gamit pa na.
Eat right. Wait, come here.
Mama.
Go. Line up here.
Gamit na mo lang ka.
Pizza? You can have the banana.
Ayan yung picture.
Okay? Good yan?
Alili, ayan yung kaya sa loob para.
No, no, Jella. Ay.
Kaya katamo lang rin mo.
Karakal pa, ma. Malilapit na nga nila ako. Secret ng barbecue pala yung nito. Kaya ma-beat na. Magdala yung natin buding yun. Ay, Nea? No, 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 no.
Ano sabi mo ng balita? Mga marites mo.
Happy birthday to you.
Can I get water?
No.
I gotta drink first.
Tama nga, no?
Yeah.
Para sinapin rin yung hotdog.
We're eating now, eh?
Mm.
Okay, bye.
Jella? Say hi, tita.
Hello.
What do you want?
Bigyan ka naman.
Mag-barbecue pa kami. Ehem.
Ay, Pep. Magsubok yung meto mo na.
Pam. Bye. Rico.
Kayo, Papa ko.
Yeah! It's little brother. Look at that.
Uy, nang ice crusher, Beba, de. Ice crusher ka.
Wait, palawan na ako na panilya.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
Medyo atake 10 people.
What?
Sabi ka, before you.
Hindi gusto mong tubig?
Happy.
O ito. Ayan, yari na lang.
Lalapik up siya din tao nga. Kapapangan pa mo. Extend. Makaninita rin may galuhalo. Yun yung bengitan eh. Asa kera mo. Matutod na lang eh. Bigising lang pa mga ano naman pa sa bahay.
Lukluk tayo ito. Binlata mo matinig to.
Kuya, I like your barbecue.
Dapat ko, uplag na yan.
Haley, stop copying. Kuya, I promise I won't do taekwondo on you. I promise I won't do taekwondo on my dinner. Okay. Yeah, more plates. More plates. Look, if you put more plates, I saw there was actually going to be bubbles. You got s'mores?
Yeah.
Guys, watch your stick ha.
Kuya? Kuya, I made... Oh! Making fire. Making fire at the same time.
Yep.
How can we make more then?
Watch your thing, your stick, girls. Shh, put your sticks down.
Why do we need it so long? We need it so long because they're worried that we might get hit.
If it goes on fire, you can just like throw it.
Can you blow it?
Tayo.
The fire is not that scary.
I don't like it in my face. Give me, I want it.
JJ, take it out.
Take it out na.
Okay, but yeah.
Unless you wanted to get more burnt.
I did it.
What do you think?
Can you? Is it already turned in milk? Can you mention the reaction to the sugar?
Sure.
Take it out, pull your mug!
I don't understand.
What kind of allergic reactions you got? What kind of symptoms you were feeling? What kind of symptoms you were feeling? For you to take that.
Halo, halo.
O, Daro, hindi kaya ka. Dar.
Sige, nakatatunod.
Halo-halo.
Video.
Mag-video ka pala, sorry. Mag-pause ko ba mag-video ako?
Okay, Gimme.
Gavin, come here. Gavin. Ate, mama, yung kay
Galing ha.
Say hi to tita.
Testing natin. Takala pa daro. Oh, yan.
We'll play riddles. Like the little, like, yes. Tell the Christian then the
Ayan, last day na, last day. Ayan o. Nagkaroon kami.
Ano yun? Dapat ba? Marabi.
Ayan o. Feeding charity yan ha. Feeding charity.
Ayun, kaya yan.
Sit down.
Feeding charity ha.
Di pa mangaga.
Dapat.
Yung metong anak ng refugee gagagaya.
Oo. Nasa ba yung ano nito? Ano yun?
Tama, Lola.
DHWD? yung gatas nito. Sabihin.
Mga anak ko.
Sana kayo. Sipin lang yan. Sugaw.
Ang pot yung kutsara. Lalo niya.
Bacon, baby.
Ang dami getting nasi. Yun na muna.
Ating nasi ano, white rice.
Yeah.
Sabi sa paso ko?
Oo, kay Bachong Mena, mga kain turon.
Ano ka dad?
Tilas lang.
May kapila ng balot din.
Nung balok na lang.
Kailangan na lang
Oo, ang gaan ng potang tiyan.
Kalaw ko lalo ba?
Mag-beach pa kanini po ta.
Saka mag-aayon mo doon.
They want this one. Wow.
How is it? You like camping? Yeah, you gonna do it again? Yeah, good. Tell your mama.
One potato.
Later. You eat first.
Get out of the sun na. Remember? Move the thing a little bit here.
Bawal yan. Kasi mag-macro eh. They're prone to skin cancer. Kaya kailangan bawal. Okay naman.
Kaya saan dapat?
Kamanita. Which one? Tama ka, Glenn.
Ada. Bibidyo ako mo ini. Kada mo tatangin ni Gini, birthday na eh.
One
Last year, kami. Ngayon ni June.
Hindi nang away.
Kami, di... Inganak ng Pejong.
September.
Ngayon ni June.
Eh, may pinka ka namin yan.
Galing na yun.
Ito sana July 1st, June to July 1st. Tayo dalawang weekend. Nalimita pa din. Daddy, move na yung duklukan.
July 1st.
Tikdok yan. Move ka, magkasama.
Dati may tapat siya.
Hindi matidari. Mga na dad.
Pakpok me.
Check.
Banday, oh.
Ay.
Medyo matimbang na po. No, share.
Share na mo rin kayo eh.
Milo stay. Milo stay.
Try go.
Okay, tawa. Happy anniversary.
Anong anniversary?
From Mississauga.
From Applewood.
Okay.